Who's it?
Seorang tentara bayaran Ukraina tersambar serangan mortir Rusia di tengah hutan. Namun tidak dirincikan jelas lokasi hutan yang menjadi zona pertempuran kali ini. Korban pun segera dievakuasi rekannya. Rekamannya beredar di Telegram pada Rabu 4 September 2024. Tampak luka berat di bagian kaki korban. Dalam keterangan unggahan disebutkan seorang tentara bayaran Amerika untuk Ukraina terkena serangan mortir dan menjerit kesakitan. Rekamannya pun menuai berbagai komentar dari warganet. Dan diketahui perang antara Rusia dan Ukraina masih berlangsung hingga saat ini dan belum juga menunjukkan tanda-tanda akan segera mereda.
Yeah, pull his kit off so we can pick him up.
Give me your arm, Yoshi. We gotta move. What is this fucking shit? Do you know how his plate carrier comes off? Yes? Can you take your plate carrier off, Yoshi?
Jerry, that's tight, man.
That's good. It wants to be tight.
That bad, Jerry. I don't think it's bleeding that bad, Jerry.
It is.
Calm down. Calm down, you're okay.
Jerry, it's not bleeding that bad, dude.
It is. Shut up.
Where's the other clip?
Right. Who's it? Oh shit. Where are you hit?
Right here.
Watch out. Whereabouts?
Leg. My right leg, my left leg.
Yeah, I see it. Hold up. Let's turn it on.
Okay, mate. Junie, move to the flat. Oh, maybe we need you.
What?
Okay. Broken off.
Yeah, pull his kit off so we can pick him up.
Give me your arm, Yoshi.
We gotta move.
What is this fucking shit? Do you know how his plate carrier comes off? Yes? Can you take your plate carrier off, Yoshi?
Jerry, that's tight, man.
That's good. It wants to be
Bleeding
tight.
that bad, Jerry. I don't think it's bleeding that bad, Jerry.
It is.
Calm down. Calm down, you're okay.
Jerry, it's not bleeding that bad, dude.
It is. Shut up.
Where's the other clip?
Right.
Download Tribun X sekarang. Menghadirkan lokal menjadi Indonesia.